What's up, YouTube? TR's Restoration back for day 3 of building this Trex deck. Just wanted to give you guys kind of an update of where I'm at. We're making good progress. Ran into a few issues where I had to use my brain to think, which kind of sucked, but that's all right. We're gonna figure it out. Just give you a quick shot of where we're at. So I went ahead and ripped up all this decking already. You can see I ain't got much for support, so went to good old Lowe's, got some lumber, and I'm gonna scab in a piece splitting the gap right here, and then probably somewhere in this area so I can still have room to do my picture frame, as you can kind of see there. Some of the issues that I ran into, Molly, get out of my frame, is this frame, as I build it around, you know, I'll do miter cuts there so it looks all fancy, but as that comes around and comes through here, I got a lot of overhang, like way more than I want. I want like an inch and a half maybe. So I'm kind of racking my brain on that one. What I think I'm going to do is I'm just going to take this step out. I'll add a board on the underneath there, and that should take Molly out of my frame. And so that should take care of that. I think I got a pretty good Sam boy, out of the frame, man. Whatever. Canines. All right. Canines, dude. So we're gonna get cracking on that, and we'll see how far we get today. All right. Check in with you soon, man. What's up, YouTube? TR's Restoration back again for day 3. As you can see, the day is about done. It's getting pretty dark out, so I'm gonna call it. Just kind of wanted to show you what I got done today. Didn't feel like a lot, but I'm happy with the progress that we made. So I did have to get another board here, narrow that gap, so I went down to good old Lowe's, got that done, and nice and installed. Thanks to JR's delivery service for that one. That was nice. I worked on cleaning up the edge around here, getting ready for that picture frame. As you can see, I got that board, and he's not fastened down yet, but he's about ready. So tomorrow I'll probably get that piece done and that piece done. Then after that, I'm just ripping boards and putting them in. So overall, I'm happy with that. Tomorrow was supposed to be a yard day, but it might be a deck day because we didn't get very far. So appreciate you guys tuning in, checking it out. That's about all I got for now. I'm gonna go get some dinner because I'm pretty hungry. So later. What's up, YouTube? TR's Restoration for a quick plug real quick. Forgot to say earlier, make sure you guys stay tuned for the behind the scenes footage from today. It's pretty good. Just kind of let you see the day in the life of what I'm dealing with. So check it out. Don't forget, smash that like and subscribe, bro.
What's up, YouTube? So when we get stuck, we just don't do anything. We've literally all day been working on this one cut because we just get frustrated and don't do anything. We could solution find here, but we don't. That would be productive. And the goal of this project is to never finish it. What are you doing?
Next to JR's delivery service is Pete. Trying to get him to accept Apple Pay. That's what I'm doing. What are you doing, huh?
Aren't you trying to work?
I'm working. Can't you see? Making progress.
You've made no progress.
YouTube sees the progress. All that matters.
What's up, YouTube? We're just still in the same spot we've been in the last 5 hours. What's up, YouTube? This is Floofy May, and I'm just trying to say that I miss my dad.